In this video, I'm going to talk about the double topic concept, inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is the process in which one object can acquire all the properties and methods of a parent object. When we are talking about inheritance in Java, we need to know about two types of classes. So here are the two types of classes, superclass or the parent class and the subclass or the child class. So what is a subclass? A subclass or a child class is the class that inherit properties and methods from a parent class. And then what is a superclass? It is the class that the subclass is being inherited from. In Java also, the concept inheritance is as similar as when it is in the field of biology. Now let's take a real world example to understand this concept clearly. Imagine there's a child called Joe and his father is John. And there's another man named Alex and he's saying that Joe has his father's face. Yeah, that must be. Because Joe is John's son, Joe has inherited many features from his father John. So in here, we can refer John as the parent object while we can refer Joe as the child object. Let's take another real world example. Think about a vehicle class. So here you can see that the vehicle class can be divided into several subclasses. So here if we are to apply the double OP concept inheritance, you can now understand that our vehicle class is the superclass while these will be our subclasses. In every vehicle, we can observe many features in common like color, number of tires, etc. And likewise, we can observe many methods in common for every type of vehicle like driving, starting engine, applying brakes, and so on. So these are the class attributes and methods that can be observed in a superclass or the parent class. Now, because of inheritance, we can use these class attributes and methods in the superclass in other subclasses also. In relation to our previous example, here's the parent class vehicle. So let me declare class attributes string color equal and let me assign a value to it black and let's say int number of tires equals 4 and also let me implement a method to start the engine of the vehicle. Public void start engine. Okay, then let me create another class named car and now you can understand this car is a subclass of the parent class vehicle. So if I need to implement those attributes and methods in the car class also, normally or in the procedural way, what I can do is implementing all those class attributes and methods inside this car class. But without doing that, I can inherit these class attributes and methods in the superclass into the subclass car. To do that, we need to use the keyword extend. So here public class car extend vehicle and inside the main method we need to create a car object and by using this car object we can call whatever the methods in the superclass and we can access whatever the attributes in the parent class also. So let's give it a try. Car dot start engine. This will start the engine of our car. And if we want to access the color of the vehicle, car dot color. And if we want to access the number of tires of the vehicle, car dot number of tires. Let's run and see. Here we go. You can see that the vehicle engine has started. It means this method has called on the car object, and also we have access to the color attribute and the number of tires attribute. Now you can understand, by using inheritance we can reduce the duplication of code, and furthermore we can increase the scalability of the code.